What is going on, guys? I want to show you guys a quick example real quick on how much information you can get by just looking at candlestick charts compared to line charts. We're going to take a look today at a 1-minute chart of RKDA, Arcadia Bioscience Incorporated. We'll switch this over to a line chart. If you're not familiar with the line chart, or if you use Robinhood. I remember, I haven't used Robinhood in so long, but I remember with Robinhood, you only had the option to look at line charts. Line charts are really good for seeing areas of interest, for support and resistance. Like you could see a support right here, there's resistance right there, you got a nice big wedge right here. But I want to point out something with this line chart. This big wedge right here. You see how it just forms this wedge just like this? Now I'm going to switch over to a candlestick chart and show you guys. This is a candlestick chart of RKDA. You see how much more information you get just by looking at candlesticks compared to line charts. With candlesticks, you get to see the upper wicks and lower wicks of the candle. The more information you have and you can see, the more edge that you have as a trader. This area right here is the same wedge we were looking at on the line chart. And with this candle right here, I want to point out, you could see there's a range in this candle of 50 cents. You can't really see that with line charts, and it all happens very fast. But this candle opened at $4.30 and dropped all the way down to $4 and then ripped all the way back up to $4.40. And even with the candlesticks on RKDA, I see a lot of big flushes of 30 cents, and then the stock would grind its way right back up to the high. Big flushes right here, a flush right here, all where I have these arrows drawn out. You don't get to see stuff like this with just looking at line charts. You're only looking at line charts. Start learning more about candlestick charts. Learn about the candles. There's all kinds of candle patterns, bullish and bearish candlesticks, candlestick formations, candlestick math. There's so much information you're missing out on if you're not looking at candlesticks. So learn about it. Candlestick charting has become very popular over recent years compared to line charts. You get to see more of a fight between the buyers and the sellers, the bulls and the bears, when looking at candlesticks. You could clearly see there was a demand for this stock. The market maker kept flushing this stock down to where demand was, and it would grind its way all the way up. All where I have these arrows drawn again. Just flushing it down to demand and grinding it right back up because volume just kept pumping into this stock. This stock's seen 57 million in volume on a Friday. So just a real quick video to show you guys the importance of looking at multiple charts, and if you're not looking at candlestick charts, why it's important to learn about candlestick charts and look at them. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Later, guys.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?